Hey guys, we are back for the second batch for today. So today, well right now, I'm still measuring out the oils. And so then we will bring you back whenever it starts to melt. Hey guys, so we're back. So I measured out all the oils and butters. So now I'm just stirring it so it can melt faster. But it's in the melting process right now. I'm just stirring it to help it to melt. That's basically all I'm doing at the moment. Yeah. I'll bring you guys back whenever it's time to do the other stuff to it. Hey guys, we're back. So all the oils and butters have melted. Today's guest is my boyfriend, and he's stirring the color with the oil. Don't forget to use the spoon on this one. There we go. And
which colors are they?
The colors are blue and white. Yeah.
How hot are the oils?
Oh, the oils are 212 degrees.
Turn the stove off.
I am. Here we go. Okay, so we will bring you back when it's time to do the other stuff. See you then. Okay, so we're back. So I just added the lye to the water, and I'm stirring it up. It's not all dissolving. It's not all dissolving.
You're quite good.
Okay, so go and pour it in now. Okay. Wait, how hot is the oils?
It's hot. It's hot. 196.
Okay. Where? So now I'm stirring the lye with the oils. Yeah. So we will bring you back when it's time to...
Yeah, add the blue to it.
Oh, yeah.
Now?
Yeah, now?
Yep.
Yeah. Just pour.
Get a lot of blue on the bottom, so get that blue out of the bottom right there. There we go.
Just keep stirring, just keep stirring.
Oh, looks good.
It's a really dark blue.
Yeah. There's still a lot of blue left in that thing. Yeah, it's kind of weird that it doesn't mix. It doesn't mix up real good with that, huh?
Mm-mm.
I don't know why. Odd. Okay.
Okay. Can you two get the foil, clear stuff?
We need to do that.
I'll do it.
Okay, so we're gonna stick blend it. Okay, so just push that, the bottom one, and stir.
Yeah, I know.
Go for it. Do it. Let me do it.
Yeah, it's just not thickening up.
Put some paper towels.
All right, we're there.
Okay. Now we gotta put the clear over. Okay.
Is this where it does the volcano-y thing?
Yep. Okay.
I wonder what it's actually called.
Volcanoing.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, cool. To me, it just sounds like it would be some goofy term that Rob over here would come up with.
Nope. Okay, so we will let this cook and we will bring you back whenever it starts to volcano. See you then. I can't. Okay guys, so we're back and I tried to get you guys in time, but I didn't. But as you can still see, it's still volcanoing. Yeah. You can see all the glycerin that it's made while making.
That looks cool.
It's actually pretty color of blue.
When do we mix the white?
At the way end. You gonna do it?
Woo!
Okay, so we can get the volcano again.
Oh, come on.
You gonna do it?
It's trying.
It's trying. It's moving a little bit. I don't know why some of them really go and others don't, but I don't know why. Weird. We make them all the same and every batch reacts a little bit different.
It's moving right there.
In the center? Oh yeah, I see it.
Shit.
Did you fall over here? We need to occasionally turn the camera towards you
Oh, I almost fell over.
so we can catch you falling over. Just for the views. Comedy sells too.
I'm not the only one getting it now.
What's happening with our girlfriend?
Still volcanoing.
Is it?
A little bit.
Do you need to stir it some more?
Oh, it's going, it's going.
Is it going?
It's moving faster now.
Sweet.
Oh yeah. It's puffing up in the middle.
And along the sides right there.
Look at all the glycerin in there though. That's cool. Oop. You burped, did you see it?
Would you stop?
Try for a third time.
There's no chunkies.
Now we wait for a third time. Now we wait for a third time.
Sometimes it doesn't do it a third time. Sometimes.
Yeah, it's not. So we'll just go ahead and let it cook here, and we will bring you guys back.
Okay guys, we're back. It's been a couple days, been busy, but here is our midnight love spell, or love spell. So we are going to cut it now after it's been sitting here for a couple days and see how it goes. Let's see how it works out. Smells good. It's a little harder to cut after it's been here for a couple of days. So we did kind of get two tones on there. That's what we were looking for. .6 ounces, which is right where we want to be. So we advertise that we sell between 4.5 and 5 ounce. So turned out cute. We should have a little bit darker, more darker blue, but the next one will be. So that was also 4.6 ounces. Wow, I'm doing good. That was 4.6 also. .5, a little off that time. Huh, 4.8. That was really off. So we'll just get these cut out. We'll get some pictures taken and get the video on YouTube and off to the next batch. I think that one will probably be mine. A piece for me. There we go. So anyway, it's Robert at CW Apothecary. Make sure you like and share and hit the bell and all that kind of stuff. If you have any questions, list them below. Thanks.